Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what storage you have and why you're upgrading: HDD, SATA SSD, or NVMe. 2 matters for fit and speed. Once done, back up your files to an external drive or cloud. Don't skip verification. Make sure to power off and unplug the PC, then ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Have a screwdriver, the replacement drive, and any cables or adapters ready. This gets you into the build quickly and safely. You now install the drive and prepare it for use. Carefully insert and secure an M2 or mount a 2. 5/3. 5. Drive, connecting power and data cables. Once done, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new device is detected. Change SATA mode to ASI for best SSD performance if applicable. Next, decide whether to clone your OS using a trusted tool or initialize and format the drive in disk management. Clone for seamless You finish by ensuring the system boots correctly and performs as expected. If you clone the OS, set the new drive as the primary boot device in BIOS, then boot and verify all files and applications work. Run basic benchmarks and smart diagnostics, and install any firmware or driver updates for the drive and motherboard. If something goes wrong, try reseating the drive and cables, using another port, reverting settings, or restoring your backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.